In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Adaptive brightness is one of those options that people either really like or really hate. So if you want to manage it on this Google Pixel, I will show you how to do it fast and without any tricks. Just go into settings, scroll to tap on display and touch. And last but not least, use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it off or on. If you want to, you can also tap on it on the left and manage it from here the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!